everybody, how are we all? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing something nice and simple today. We're going to be doing slow cooked beef sandwich. Oh yes, only a couple of ingredients really. Slow cook about 4 or 5 hours, and hopefully it's going to be delicious. Let me show you. Okay, that's all I've got, nice and simple. Oh, bit of onion there. I've got joint of beef, that's Aberdeen Angus, from Aldi, 11 quid that was. I threw the packet away. I've let it out, let it get to room temperature for an hour. I've got a teaspoon of thyme, I've got a couple of red wine stock cubes, and I'm going to put 400 ml of water in. Salt and pepper, a little bit of oil, and I was going to put some garlic in, but I've got my garlic butter, so I'm going to do that to sear my beef. Right, nice and simple. First things first, we'll get the pan hot. Right, while the pan's heating up, I'm just going to take the string off. You can keep it on if you want, mine's coming off. I'm leaving all the fat on there, because you want all that fat on there, don't you? Now we're going to season it, a bit of salt and pepper. I'm not going to put any oil on there, because I'm going to put a little bit in the pan. Quite a big joint this is, to be honest with you guys, but expensive any beef nowadays, it really is, ain't it? Do my hands again, and we'll do this side, and get this side of a little rub in there. Right, we'll wait for the pan to heat up. Pan is smoking. We'll get a little bit of oil in, and we're just going to sear the meat. Just till it's brown all the way over. Oh yes. Get the ends done. And we're going to get the butter in now to melt. Right, okay guys, that's done. Couple of minutes, that's all. Okay, now I'm going to get my meat in there. And I'm just going to put a little bit of, oh look at that meat, oh yes. I'm just going to put a little bit of this, 200 gram, where is it, there it is. 500 ml I mean. I'm going to put a little bit in there. I'm just going to deglaze it a bit, because I want all that goodness to go back in my pan. And in the meantime, we'll get all this in. Did I mention my onions? I can't remember if I mentioned my onions to you. I've got 2 onions anyway, just chopped into chunks. They're going in. A little bit of thyme. I'm just going to deglaze the pan, because that is all flavour. If you've got your red wine, if you use your red wine when you're cooking, it'd probably be 100 times better, but I don't, that's why I like them cubes, and they are really nice. If you haven't had them before, I get them from Tesco, £1.60 for the Tesco brand I think, or £1.80 for 4. You also do the Oxo ones and that. Just want that goodness, all that goodness there, with the garlic in there and all that stuff, a bit of butter, and that'll do. And we'll pour it in. Now that's going to go on for probably 4 or 5 hours. So we'll get the lid on. Nice and simple, eh? And I'll see ya in 5 hours, which will only be a minute to you. Okay guys, it has been 4 hours. So we're just going to check it. Oh, it smells absolutely delicious. It really does. Oh yes, it's falling apart. Look at that. Oh yes. Right then, let's get that out. We'll get it into a bowl. Like so. And what we're going to do, we're going to shred it all to get all apart. We're going to get it back in that lovely juice. while I prepare my rolls. Oh, look at that. Let me have a little taste of that, actually. Smells delicious. Mmm. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, let's shred it all. There we go. I've just took the fat off. There's the fat, look. I haven't used it all. I've saved a bit. Oh, wrapped it up there. Could probably have that on a sandwich tomorrow or something. Right, now we're going to get it back into the good old slow cooker. Just why? There's loads here, look at this. Oh yes. Oh yes. It's going to be a delicious beef sandwich, this is. That's a fact. I'm going to put the lid on there. And I'm just going to put mine on a boil function. If you haven't got a boil function, just keep it on your warm. There we go. Why I throw up? Why I toast me buns, ciabatta rolls I've got. Oh yeah. Okay guys, a little bit of butter. Get that melted. I'm only doing the one because we're having this for the football in a bit. So I'm just doing it to show you. Football's on in a couple of hours. Well, so 2:30 now, so yeah, a couple of hours. Get your bread in. Give that a little toast up. Oh yes, look at that now. Beef and onion sandwich, eh? It's going to be delicious, ain't it? Oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. Right, ciabatta should be done. Right, let's get some of this deliciousness on here then. You can put some salad or something on the bottom if you want. I might do for the footy, but I'm not at the minute. I'm just going to do one of these. Oh yes. Now I've got some of these pickled pink onions. I'm going to put some of that on. This was from Aldi, I ain't seen that before. Oh, it smells quite nice actually. Oh, there it is. Let's get a little spoon. We'll pile a bit on there. For the look, eh? And I'm wondering whether to stick a bit of mayo on there, you know. I think I might, because I like mayonnaise. Oh yes. And guys, delicious beef and onion sandwich. Right, let's try it. Look at that then. Oh yes, look at it. Oh, that's going to be good football food, that is, guys. That's going to be good football food. That's for sure. Right then, let's see if I can pick it up. Get right into it, eh? Oh. 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 Wow. Wow. Oh. And then those little pickled onions there go absolutely bang on. And I'm glad they put the mayo on as well. Wow. Oh. You need to try this, guys. Oh. Oh, that is bang on. Absolutely bang on. Oh. 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 Oh, wow. Oh. Oh. Whoa. I might cut that off a bit over there and put it in there. That is delicious. Whew. There you go. Oh, there's nothing else to say. You want to get some of them? Well, I like. Pickled pink onion. I think 95p, I think there was. I thought it was red cabbage until I got home. So that's what I got. And it's absolutely delicious. It's not overpowering, if you get what I mean. But it's absolutely delicious, honestly. So, yeah. As I say, guys, delicious food. Football's on in a bit, so I am now. Well, this is going up Friday, so what should I say the score will be? See if people will laugh at me again. I said 4-1 last time, didn't I? Let's say I'm going to go for 3-1. I'm going to go 3-1 England. I think they're going to learn a lesson. Score a few more goals this time. 3-1 England I'm going to go for. We'll find out, won't we? Anyway, till the next time, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.